What's up everybody, I'm here with Awesome Product Reviews and today we're going to be talking about a new product. This is the MaxFit G3. There are so many options when it comes to wearable fitness trackers on the market today, but now you've got one that not only functions but actually is priced pretty decently as well. With it you can hook up to your smartphone, whether it be an Android device or an Apple device. You can receive all of your notifications, text messages, call notifications, alarms, and it has a bunch of its own built-in functionality like a sedentary reminder, it has a built-in heart rate monitor, a timer and a stopwatch, a pedometer, and all the information that it collects can be received and viewed in real time. When you pair it with the app on your smartphone device, you can see in detail all of this information. Upon receiving your MaxFit G3 in the mail, you're going to notice first off is the quality of the design and the packaging that it comes in. You can already tell this is going to be a nice product. Now that we've opened it up, you can see we have the actual head unit itself as well as the straps. And it's super easy to put together. Just snap the little port right into the wristband, one, and then two. Wrap it around your wrist to your desired length. Pop the little pin in place and then tuck the rest of it away inside the wristband. Now I'm going to teach you guys how to set this up. Let's take it down to the table and I'll show you up close. Operation of the MaxFit G3 is actually quite simple. You'll see on the face here a small gray dot. This is what turns on the screen as well as gets you through all the different features of the watch itself. By continually pressing the dot, you'll bring up the remaining screens such as the step counter, BPM, sports, and so on. Now to access any one of these particular menus, press and hold, and now you will see the details of that menu. By pressing and holding again, bring you back out. You can see under BPM, press and hold, and there we have the information there. And you also see the green light flashing in the back for the heart rate monitor. To set up the date and the time, as well as to transfer the information between your smartphone, you'll need to download the app. There are two ways to do this. In the manual, you'll find the QR code, or you can go to More, press and hold, and continue pressing, where you'll see the QR code here. Almost all modern day smartphone cameras can pick up QR codes. Put the QR code in place. There we go, and just like that, pops right up. Tap it. Now choose if you want it to be for your Android phone or for your iOS device. Opens right up to the app, Fit Pro. Download the app and open. To save your information, create an account. Otherwise, you can just press jump over to go right into the app. And here we are at the home screen of the Fit Pro app. Go to settings, and you'll see that no device has been connected yet. Right below that, you're going to see bind devices to experience more features. Press that, and all of your Bluetooth devices nearby you will show up. In this case, it is LH719. Go ahead and press allow. This will allow for text messages, calls, and other notifications to show up on the screen of your watch. Take some time to explore the app. You can personalize the watch information, check on your motion details, change the settings, and more. The time and date has also been synced up with your phone and is now correct. Charging your device is actually really simple. For this, you're going to need to pull off the little wristband. It's simple just by pulling straight off on both sides. Now that the wristband has been removed, you're going to expose the USB charging adapter. All you have to do is plug this into any USB device, making sure that the golden prongs are making contact with the USB golden prongs themselves, and it will charge. If you plug it in and nothing pops up on the screen, pull it out, flip it over, and try plugging it in one more time. It may just be a simple issue of making contacts on the wrong side. And just like that, you've got your MaxFit G3 ready to go. If you have any questions about the product, you can contact their customer support line, which I will leave in the description box below. Thank you guys for watching this video, and we'll see you next time on another awesome product review.